Well, take a nap, sweetie. We'll be back soon. Hey, Sunshine, where are you going?
I'm going to Casey's.
Oh, that girl. She brings accounts back. I can't believe she's your girlfriend. Can I interview her?
What? Sure, maybe tomorrow.
Alright.
Hi, Casey.
Hey. We have to get rid of her. We need to clone her.
Hi, I'm Casey.
Casey, eliminate the target.
Okay.
Mine cats? Lego.
Michael, this is my clone. Hey, let's play hide and seek.
I don't think she's gonna eliminate.
Just give her some time.
Ah!
Found you. Where is she? Hee hee hee. You know what? You're my cool friend. I'll be in the bathroom.
Casey, what are you waiting for? Eliminate the target now.
That's our target?
Yes, eliminate her. You there?
This is wrong.
What?
This is wrong. I can't eliminate Casey.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Are you betraying us?
If I am, yes.
Casey, she betrayed us.
I told you she didn't want to eliminate.
You know what? We're going to Earth.
You're it.
But I suck at it.
Oh. Well, you're it, girl. Okay. Who are you?
You have to get out of here. Quick.
Why?
She is coming.
Who?
Please, leave us alone.
Silence. How can you betray? Who is this boy?
That's Michael, my boyfriend.
Oh, shoot. I'm sorry, I didn't know you had a boyfriend, but... You know what? We'll leave you alone.
But this is your chance.
Silence.
Hacker.
We meet again, Casey. What the? There's two of you? Maybe the real one is this.
No. Wake up. up, Casey. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Casey? Give it to me.
What you gotta do with her?
I'm gonna fix her. It may take a while. Dear Casey, I'm sorry for everything that I've done to you, and I fixed your friend. And please take care of her.
Hi, I'm Casey. Hello, Casey.